Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Carmela Wolf here at Down to Earth on King Street. Now, lately everyone's super focused on staying healthy, and rightly so. Of course, proper hygiene is very important, but for general health, no matter what anyone's worried about, a healthy diet and lifestyle are our foundations to good health. Now, eating the rainbow is something I've talked a lot about. Why is that? Because all of our unprocessed, healthy, plant-based foods full of nutrients are supporting our body and our immune system. Do you know a lot of these fruits and vegetables are high in vitamin C? Also vitamin A, which is good for the immune system, and a lot of other phytonutrients that are really important to support your healthy body. So if you really want to prevent getting sick from any kind of illness, think about eating the rainbow, lots of unrefined fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains, and avoid the sugar. That's really bad for your immune system. So as much as you can, eat healthy and stay healthy.